Here's an uncomfortable truth most women don't realize. Men don't start missing you because of how much you give. They start missing you because of what you leave behind in their mind. Missing someone isn't about physical distance, it's about emotional impact. And when you understand a man's psychology, you can trigger that impact in ways that make him think of you constantly, even when you're not around. So in today's video, I'll reveal 8 powerful things you must remember if you want a man to truly miss you. Not needy tricks, not games, but deep psychological truths. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leave a mark so strong, he can't help but crave your presence. Now, here's the mistake most women make. They chase, they overgive. They believe, if I just stay in his face, he won't forget me. But that's wrong. Constant pressure doesn't create longing. Space and impact, that's what creates desire. A man doesn't miss constant availability, he misses what's rare, valuable, and unforgettable. And that's exactly what these 8 points are about. First, respect his space. Men crave freedom the way lungs crave air. Smother him and he feels trapped, but give him space with confidence and his mind begins to miss you. Psychology calls this the scarcity effect. What's less available feels more valuable. A woman who respects his space becomes unforgettable. A woman who invades it becomes replaceable. Second, the power of mystery. Men are hunters by nature, they're drawn to what they can't fully figure out. Share stories, but not every detail. Leave him wanting more. Mystery activates his imagination, and imagination is where missing you begins. When he knows everything, curiosity dies. When curiosity dies, longing dies too. Third, your memorable energy. A man might forget your words, but he never forgets how you made him feel. Your laughter during a simple dinner, the way you encouraged him when he doubted himself, those emotional anchors stay long after you're gone. Men miss the feeling you gave them more than the things you said. Fourth, having your own life. Independence is magnetic. A woman who's busy, ambitious, and passionate creates natural longing. Instead of waiting by the phone, you're out living fully. And that unpredictability makes him wonder, what is she doing right now? Psychology calls this selective availability. Men miss women who live for themselves, not women who live only for them. Fifth, triggering nostalgia. Small reminders of shared moments create emotional pull. Bring up an inside joke or a special memory, and his brain lights up with longing to relive it. The fastest way to make him miss you is to remind him of a time he already does. Sixth, feminine warmth. In a cold, competitive, and stressful world, your softness becomes a sanctuary. The touch on his arm, the kindness in your voice, the way you listen without judgment. Men may not talk about it, but they crave that warmth. When it's gone, they feel the void deeply. He may not always miss your looks, but he will always miss your warmth. Seventh, unpredictable absence. Disappearing completely can create fear of loss, but small, natural absences create intrigue. You don't reply instantly sometimes. You skip a call because you're genuinely busy. This isn't playing games, it's living life so fully that he notices your absence. If he never gets the chance to miss you, he never will. And eighth, leaving emotional imprints. At the core of it all, men miss women who touch their soul. Maybe it's the way you believed in him when no one else did, or the small rituals only you two shared. These imprints are what he replays late at night when silence gets loud. Looks fade, words fade, but the emotional imprint stays, and that's what he'll always miss. So, here's the recap. Men miss you more when you respect their space. Keep mystery alive. Leave them with memorable energy. Live your own life. Trigger nostalgia. Offer feminine warmth. Allow natural absence. And leave deep emotional imprints. And here's the raw truth. You don't need to beg a man to miss you. You don't need to chase or overprove yourself. When you embody these 8 things, his psychology will do the missing for you. He'll find himself replaying your laugh, your presence, your warmth, and wondering when he'll get to feel it again. Don't try to force him to miss you. Instead, become the woman whose presence is unforgettable so your absence becomes undeniable.